Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video, the final unboxing video for you for March, and it is latest in beauty. March's edit is called the Glow Down edit. There we go. Sorry it's a bit later than normal everybody. There was a reason for that. Latest in Beauty is, for anybody who doesn't know, is a UK only monthly subscription beauty box service. You get to choose, it's quite different to other boxes. You get to choose all the items that you wish to receive. You also get to choose how many items you receive. So you can either get a 3, 6 or 9 item box. Prices start from £9 per month, including your P&P. So it's 3 items is £9, 6 items is 15, 9 items is £18 a month. That includes your delivery costs. They also do 3, 6 and 12 month prepaid subscription plans. I did a 12-month subscription prepay in January and I got it as a special offer, and it was £120 for the year. So literally it's the 6 item box, and those 6 items cost me £10 a month to receive. What Latest in Beauty also do is at the end of the month before, they release an edit, so they let you know all the products that are going to be available for the following month. However, what they do is they release one product a day. So if you see a product that you're quite interested in, which is what's happened to me this month, you can guarantee it's not going to be released until right towards the end of the month, which again is what has happened, which is why this month's box is later than normal. I will of course link all the website details down below in the description box, so please hop on there and look into everything. Okay, let's get into it. Let's open it up. It's quite a big heavy box this month. There we go. It says on the top my edit, and you've got all your wormy bits like normal. So let's just grab an item. So first item, something else Latest in Beauty do is every month they always have what they call their hero product or their Hall of Fame product for that month. That means they've got enough stock of that for absolutely everybody to pick it and pop it in their box. This month it's the Pixi Glow Tonic. Now, I've never tried this product. Everybody raves about it. This 100ml bottle is worth £10. So the cost of my box is there straight away in that one product. It's an exfoliating toner apparently, and it's got, is it 5% glycolic acid in it. Like I say, never tried it, and when I saw it was the Hall of Fame product, I thought, well, that's fantastic. Would you believe we then got another one in the next Mother's Day beauty box, but that one's been given put into my giveaway box. So yeah, there we go. That's item number 1. Item number 2 is the reason it's took so long to get this box. This is the Australian Body Care, and it's the Lavender Body Lotion. This is a full-size 250ml bottle. I have researched it quickly and I believe this is worth about £13. Now, I absolutely adore lavender. Absolutely love it. It's supposed to be easily absorbed, this product. It's also got tea tree in it as well, to help soothe and condition the skin. It's pure and mild for everyday use, even with sensitive skin, which anybody who's been with me a while, you know I do have severely sensitive skin. So that's why I thought I would give this a go. And like I say, that is a full-size product. I've also got from the same brand, again these were released the day before, and these are the Lavender and Tea Tree wipes. Now, tea tree is a natural antibacterial agent and antiseptic as well, and this has got 24 wipes. I believe these are worth, I think it was £4 or £5. something like that. And I use wet wipes all the time, particularly for cleaning my makeup brushes, giving them a quick spot wipe, stuff like that. And obviously with everything that's going on at the moment, you can never have too much antibacterial wipes and hand wash and creams and things like that. So yeah, so that's why I picked those as well. Next item in the box was, oh yeah, I'd seen this. I think I'd seen it last month actually. This is the Pure Essential Rest and Relax, and it's supposed to be a room spray, I think. Air spray, it says. It's 100% pure and natural. And I adore pillow sprays. This has got, I think this has got lavender in it as well, like lavender and chamomile. Unfortunately, it's all in French, and my French ain't that good. Yeah, so I thought, well, a rest and relax spray. It's got like a little moon and stars on it there, so I think I will be okay using this as like a pillow spray. This is a 20ml. So it's a really good size, and the pillow sprays that I'm using at the moment are running out, so perfect time to stock up and grab one of these. So quite a lavender heavy box this month, but like I say, I personally love lavender. I know it's not to everybody's taste. I know it can give some people headaches, things like that. But yeah. I'm going to leave, I've just pulled another product out, but I'm going to leave that one for a moment. And here we go. And the next item I chose, again, this was something they've had in their section of products for you to choose from, and I think it was these two. It's the Agent Provocateur, and it's aphrodisiac perfume samples. However, this month they've added in a third one as well, so I think this is a new perfume that's coming out. So whilst, I mean, you can still get just those two as a pick, but the fact that there was a third one in there, I thought, well, do you know what, we'll grab it. So yeah, you've got aphrodisiac. Aphrodisiac is the black one, Pure Aphrodisiac is the pink one, and then this one, it just says Agent Provocateur. So this new one here, it says it's got a blend of exotic Indian saffron, Moroccan rose and Egyptian jasmine. It's also got French magnolia in there and Haitian vetiver. I'm not sure about that. So yeah, so I'll see if I can have a quick spritz of this and see what we think. Let's have a, we'll do it on here, shall we? There we go. That's that one. Oh, that's quite sweet. The top notes of that are very, very sweet, like Parma Violet Sweeties, that kind of sweet scent. It is settling down, so I'll give that a minute. Let's try the aphrodisiac one. Now, this hasn't got any information in the leaflet about top notes or anything, so we shall try it on the other arm. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's totally different. That's nice. That's got, I can smell some vanilla. There's vanilla, sandalwood, maybe some amber in there. A little bit muskier that. Oh, that's really nice. That's got like, now this is going to sound really bizarre, but it smells a little bit like leather underneath in that one. But it's really, yeah, you know, like a leather bag, but an old leather bag, not a new one, an old one, where it's been worn like an old leather sofa. Oh, that's nice. I like that. I like that one as well. Like I say, that is different. And then I'm not quite sure when I'm going to spray this Pure Aphrodisiac, but we'll give it a go. Again, there's nothing inside to tell me anything about it, but, you know, hey. So I'm going to spray that on my top, I think. Oh, she says, if I can get it to work. Oh, now then, right, okay. That is a lot more... That's a lot more floral. Again, still a little bit on the sweeter side. Nice. It is nice. Not my favourite. At the moment, it's between these two. Oops, the two black ones. Yeah, that's... Oh, now then. That reminds me a little bit more of like a Sarah Jessica Parker, lovely-ish. Not exactly, but, you know, that sort of type of perfume, that one. Might end up giving that to my friend or my auntie. Yeah, that's not me, that one, but I'm really pleased that I've got them and been able to try them. That's what this is all about, isn't it? And the last item, this is the Sanctuary Spa Ultra Rich Wet Skin Moisture Miracle. Gosh, that is a gobful and a half. There we go. This is a 50ml tube, and basically it's a moisturiser that you can use in the shower. So it says to apply it whilst you're still wet. Don't rinse off, and then simply towel dry. Don't use on the face. Yeah, there we go. So I just thought that was really interesting. Sort of a body moisturiser that you actually put on when you're wet. I kind of like that idea. I literally have sort of 10 minutes in the morning to have a shower, 10-15 minutes, have a shower, get myself dressed, hair done, everything. So it can be quite difficult for me to use body lotions. I tend to use them on a night time when I get ready for bed, because they just don't absorb quick enough, basically, for me. So I'm going to give this a try. Let's have a... I can't really smell anything at the minute. Let's pop a wee bit on the arm. Now obviously my arm's not wet at the minute, but it's nice, quite and light. It's thick, but it rubs in very easily. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. I wonder what it's got in it. Oh yeah, that's lovely. Yeah, so like I say, I just thought that was an interesting product, so I thought I would give it a go. Now, the reason I have left this one till the end is I'm filming this on Sunday. This video should be going up Monday, the 30th of March. It's the 29th of March at the moment. And Latest in Beauty do collection boxes every now and again, and they've just released their newest one, and it's to do with the Sunday Times Beauty Style Awards. There are 52 products in total. They are splitting it between 2 drops, so 26 products have been launched today. 26 products are launching next Sunday, the 5th of April at 7 AM. And the box costs you £30 if you're a subscriber. You do, I believe, have to have an account with them. I don't know whether or not you have to have an active subscription with them, but you do have to have an account with them. You can't log out, or you can't go through checkout as a guest with this box. It's £30. You get to choose 6 items, so it's basically £5 an item. And this, I noticed this morning when I did mine, spoiler alert for you, I have got one coming. I did notice that this product was in there. So it's currently available in the March picks, but if you miss out on it on that, go to the Beauty Style Awards box, and it is in there as well. So yeah, so when I saw that this morning, I thought, oh, I've got one of them coming already, so I didn't need to pick it in the extra box that I've got coming. So that was pretty good. I'm not going to tell you what products I have chosen. You'll have to wait for the video dropping for that, hopefully in about a week or so's time. It did say it could be up to 10 working days for it to be delivered, so it might be a couple of weeks. But anyway, everybody, there we go. Those were my 6 picks for the month of March. So we've got the Sanctuary Spa, we've got the Australian Body Care Body Lotion, the wipes, we've got the 3 Agent Provocateur perfume samples, we've got the Rest and Relax spray, and we've got the Pixi toner. I think that's a darn fine box, personally. To say I've paid £10 for it, I mean, like I say, the Pixi on its own is £10. I think the rest of it is probably worth, I'm not sure exactly because I haven't checked the prices of everything, but I think everything else is probably worth about £20 all in all, if not more. So anyway, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, as always. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen here today. If you have, please hit that subscribe button, either the red button down here or the circle icon with my face in it, which will appear here shortly. If you've not quite made your mind up, I will pop a couple of options of other content videos that I've put on, because I don't just do unboxings, I do makeup looks, I do tag videos, I do product update videos for you when I've used products, telling you what I think and feel about them. So yeah, please go and check those out. Please keep yourselves safe and well, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.